And welcome to my channel. Hello to all my subscribers. So today guys, come and join me and let's make bolero like this one from scratch. These are my materials guys. This one is the body, this one, and the other one is here like this. Okay, so come and join me guys and let's get started. Guys, I didn't make a measurements. I just follow this one. Okay, this pre-made, this one for the side in here. Okay, and also this one for the edges. So I'll be starting to join this one, just the front. I will join this one, the front and the side of this bolero, using this one. Okay, this one will be the one connect this one here. Okay, so I'll be sewing it from here there. Okay, so it's already connected. See, and it looks like this. So now I'll be working on the edge. So guys, this is it, and I'll be working at the edges using this one here like this, covering this edges with this one. Okay, until here. So already started from here. So guys, I'm almost finishing, only this one left. So this is best for when you're wearing a spaghetti blouse